this is what it looks like now. All this side pretty much cleaned up except for one. Maybe two over there. I think just one though. I got 4 or 5 of these to pick up. In here I probably got, there should be like 6 there, but I bet you I don't get but 4 out of it. Probably the 4 we're looking, and you could see they're not going to be all the way, because that right there was where the notch was. And I was able to save, there's a few 2x4s there that might be good. I was able to save, don't get too close to those doggone yellow jackets. I had them riled up a while ago. I was able to save probably 5 or 6, but only about 5 foot long of the floor joist, but that's okay. I mean, I can, even if it's 4 foot long, I'll find out how much I got. You can see that they don't, I mean, they're real bad. But I'll just take that, both of those, just set them up on a, I'll cut another oak or pine sill and set those on it, on that sill, and then just put these. And if I just do 4 foot, 5 foot at the most, I mean, it just, you know, it just kind of shows back what it was. It's not really replacing it. And there's another one right there, I forgot. So so I might have 6 on this side, but I won't have many more than 6. A lot of 10 left to take down. Still got probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably 14 pieces, 12 foot long, or either whatever, however long that is. 14 might, it's not 16, I don't think. It might be 16. But boy, I'm gonna get me something to eat.